Millennials face unique financial challenges, from student loan debt to navigating a volatile job market. With inflation rising and retirement looking further away, understanding personal finance has never been more crucial. Financial literacy isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. In this video, we'll break down why financial education is vital for millennials, how it can shape your future, and how you can start improving your financial knowledge today. Let's explore the 10 key reasons why financial literacy should be a priority in your life. 10. Managing student loan debt. Student loan debt is a major financial challenge for millennials, with over 43 million Americans carrying an average debt of nearly $40,000 in 2024. Effectively managing this debt is crucial for financial stability. Financial literacy provides essential knowledge about repayment plans, refinancing options, and loan forgiveness programs. For example, income-driven repayment plans adjust monthly payments based on your income, making them more manageable. Additionally, the Public Service Loan Forgiveness (PSLF) program offers loan forgiveness after 10 years of qualifying payments for those working in public service. By understanding these options and making informed decisions, millennials can reduce their debt burden and avoid unnecessary interest payments. Learning to prioritize high-interest loans, refinance when possible, and take advantage of forgiveness opportunities can significantly ease the financial strain of student loans, allowing for better long-term financial health. Financial literacy equips millennials with the tools to tackle student loan debt efficiently and work toward financial freedom. 9. Building and maintaining good credit. Credit scores play a significant role in your financial life. Whether you're applying for a loan, renting an apartment, or even applying for a job, your credit score matters. Millennials often struggle with building and maintaining good credit due to limited financial education. Learning how to use credit responsibly, like keeping credit utilization low, paying bills on time, and monitoring your credit report, can help you achieve better rates on loans, lower insurance premiums, and even improve your job prospects. Understanding credit is one of the first steps in taking control of your financial future. 8. Saving for emergencies. Life is unpredictable. Whether it's a job loss, medical emergency, or unexpected repairs, having an emergency fund can be a lifesaver. Financial literacy teaches the importance of setting aside savings for unforeseen circumstances. A rule of thumb is to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Having this cushion can prevent you from going into debt when life throws curveballs. Many millennials underestimate the importance of this buffer, often relying on credit cards or loans to cover unexpected costs. But building an emergency fund through small, consistent savings is one of the best financial habits you can adopt. 7. Understanding retirement planning. Retirement may seem like it's decades away, but the earlier you start planning, the better. Millennials face a unique challenge. Many of them will likely not have traditional pensions to rely on, meaning it's up to them to save for retirement. Financial literacy can help you understand retirement accounts like 401(k)s, IRAs, and the power of compound interest. For example, by contributing just $200 per month to a retirement account with an average annual return of 7%, you could accumulate over $1 million by the time you reach 65. Without financial knowledge, millennials may miss out on taking full advantage of these opportunities. 6. Avoiding bad financial decisions. Making poor financial decisions can have lasting consequences, from taking out payday loans to living paycheck to paycheck or ignoring high-interest debt. These choices can create financial struggles and limit future opportunities. Financial literacy empowers you to understand the impact of these decisions and how to avoid them. By learning the basics of budgeting, managing expenses, and making informed choices about credit cards and loans, you can protect yourself from common financial pitfalls. For instance, understanding how compound interest works on credit card debt or the dangers of payday loans can help you steer clear of high-cost traps. Financial literacy also helps you prioritize saving, reducing unnecessary spending, and planning for the future. With the right knowledge, you're more likely to make smarter financial decisions, setting yourself up for long-term success and preventing financial setbacks that can hinder your growth and stability. 5. Creating a budget and managing expenses. Budgeting is the foundation of financial success, But many millennials struggle with this essential skill. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and lose track of where your money is going. Financial literacy helps you understand how to track income, set spending limits, and allocate funds to savings and investments. There are various budgeting methods to choose from, such as the 50-30-20 rule, which recommends allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Understanding how to create and stick to a budget can help you maintain control over your financial situation and reduce stress. 4. Investing for the future. Investing is key to building long-term wealth, yet many millennials shy away from the stock market due to a lack of knowledge or fear of risk. However, not investing means missing out on potential wealth-building opportunities. Financial literacy teaches you how to invest wisely and understand the different types of investment options available. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs all have different risk profiles and returns, and learning about them can help you diversify your portfolio. Additionally, dollar-cost averaging is a strategy that allows you to invest regularly, regardless of market conditions, which helps mitigate risk over time. 3. Understanding taxes. Taxes are a fact of life, and understanding how they work can have a major impact on your financial situation. From income tax to capital gains tax, millennials need to know how taxes affect their paychecks and investments. Financial literacy helps you understand how to minimize tax liabilities through legal deductions and credits, how to file taxes correctly, and how to plan for future taxes, especially if you're self-employed or have side hustles. Not understanding taxes can lead to overpaying or getting into trouble with the IRS. Having a solid grasp of tax basics allows you to maximize your earnings and avoid unnecessary penalties. 2. Navigating the gig economy. The gig economy offers millennials flexibility, allowing them to freelance or juggle multiple part-time jobs. However, it also presents unique financial challenges. Without a traditional employer, gig workers must manage their own taxes, health insurance, and retirement savings. Financial literacy is crucial in this context. It helps you understand how to budget for irregular income, ensuring you have enough set aside for expenses and taxes. Since gig workers typically don't have access to employer-sponsored retirement plans, understanding options like IRAs or solo 401ks is essential for long-term savings. Additionally, gig workers must be prepared for periods of inconsistent earnings, so learning to build an emergency fund and track cash flow is vital. Financial literacy provides the knowledge to manage these challenges effectively, helping gig workers avoid financial stress and build a stable financial foundation for the future. Without this education, maintaining financial stability can become much more difficult. 1. Building wealth and financial independence. Ultimately, financial literacy is about building wealth and securing financial independence. Millennials, more than previous generations, are interested in achieving financial freedom, whether that means retiring early, traveling the world, or simply having enough to live comfortably. Financial literacy provides the tools and knowledge to make this possible. Understanding how to grow wealth through savings, investments, and smart money management can help you achieve your financial goals. Whether you want to retire early, buy a house, or start a business, financial literacy is the key to achieving long-term financial independence. Financial literacy is not just about learning how to manage your money, it's about setting yourself up for success in all areas of life. From paying off debt to investing for the future, understanding the basics of personal finance can have a huge impact on your financial well-being. Millennials have the tools and resources available to take control of their financial future, and with the right knowledge, anyone can start building a secure, prosperous life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more videos on how to master your money. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. What's one financial tip you wish you'd known sooner? Thanks for watching.